Hey everyone, if you're new to the world of aquariums, you're in for a treat. Today I'm going to share my top 5 must-have plants for beginner aquarists. These plants are low maintenance and will make your tank look stunning. First up we have the Java fern. This plant is practically indestructible and thrives in low light. Just attach it to driftwood or rocks and watch it grow. Next, let's talk about Anubias. Anubias is another hardy plant that does well in various conditions. It grows slowly, but its broad leaves create a beautiful backdrop for your fish. Now, meet the Amazon sword. This plant is perfect for beginners because it's easy to care for and grows quickly. Just make sure you have a nutrient-rich substrate and it will flourish. Fourth on the list is the Cryptocoryne. These plants are great for adding some variety to your tank. They come in different shapes and colors and are very resilient. Last but not least, we have the Marimo moss ball. These little green balls are fun and unique. Just give them a roll every now and then to keep their shape. So there you have it, folks. 5 easy, beginner-friendly plants that will make your aquarium pop. Happy planting. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.